Hey everyone, in this video we are going to be unboxing the new iPad mini 6th generation, and it's dressed in purple. We also have a Smart Folio that we're going to get set up with, and the pencil, so we're going to complete the whole package, see how well that Smart Folio protects everything, and also find out if this is the ultimate creative's powerhouse. I am very excited to get this thing all decked out. Onward to the unboxing. Alright, here we are at the unboxing table. We got the new 6th generation iPad mini in our hands finally. I cannot believe it. Also, we have the iPad mini Smart Folio. So what this does, protects your iPad, keeps it nice and safe. Also has 3 different positions you can use. Put that on there, see how it looks. We also have a pencil. Is this the ultimate creative's powerhouse? I think so. I'm looking forward to drawing pictures. I'm looking forward to editing my videos on this thing. Let's open it all up, put it all together, see how it all fits, make sure it looks nice and protected, and we'll start with the iPad mini. So the usual tab. Oh, I want that drop. I want that drop, yeah. And, ooh, I'm already liking this size factor. I mean, this is nice. Nice size. Very light, feels good in the hand already. Yep, very nice. That's the best part. The most fulfilling part. Okay, here we have the iPad mini Smart Folio. I chose a complementary color to the purple, which was this orange. Oh, it's rubbery on the outside. Rubbery on the outside, fuzzy on the inside. Not much to it, really. I wonder how easy it would be to just fold that over. It feels like some cardboard in there, wrapped in rubber. Alright, so let's see how easy this is going to be. You have your pad. You line up the camera, the hole. Oh wow. Yep. Nice and easy, all magnetic. It's already just, is it on there? Oh my gosh, wow. Yeah, it's on there. I mean, it holds it in. It's great. So when you pop this top open, it's supposed to turn it on. I obviously need to charge it. Ah yes, very important. With USB-C, it's not gonna move. Very nice. Let's bring this pencil out. See how it all connects. This is the 2nd generation pencil, and you can get it engraved for free. And this is supposed to just stick to this guy. Oh yeah, there it goes. Yeah, just sticks right on there. On either side. Okay, there's a smooth side. Most of it is rounded. Then there's one smooth side. Clicks right on there. This is amazing. And another thing that I am going to be using this for is with this. This is the OPZ synthesizer and sequencer and MIDI controller. So you're going to have this connected to your mini. There it is. So you have this connected with your mini, runs all through USB-C, and you've got a music making powerhouse right away. This is looking pretty amazing so far. Alright folks, there you have it, the new 6th generation iPad mini, and I am super excited to start using this thing for making art, making music, editing photos, editing videos, my own productivity, get my life back in order. So if you could hit that subscribe button down below, it's extremely important to us. We're gonna be coming out with a lot more iPad videos, a lot more Apple everything. We are swimming in Apple products right now, and it is great. The water's warm, I'm having a great time. So come on back, we'll talk to you soon, and thank you very much for watching. Take care.